Jimba. Ma'am said, I didn't understand anything you said. Ma'am, even I did not understand what you said. Once a teacher asked, tell me an example of a creature which can live on water as well on land. Teacher said, student answered, frog. Teacher said another example. Student answered another frog. Teacher asked, which one is closer, sun or Australia? Student answered, sun. Teacher asked why? Student answered, we can see sun all the time but can't see Australia. We shall now continue with our shows.
Thank you. Or, now parents, actually the thing is that it was my father's dream. It's almost 10 years that I have been anchoring the annual function programs, and it was my father's dream that the baton should pass on to the kids. And it's a small effort to fulfill his dream, because actually it's my father, or you say that now this is the younger generation who are going to carry the load on their shoulders. But I'm stunned. I'm not prepared at all. I'm not in the frame of mind. But I would like to discuss few things with you that that in Dikshant, what actually we want is that we want skill. Now the thing is, as far as education is concerned, earlier it used to be knowledge-based education. Now the time has come when it has to convert to skill-based. A brief example, एक बार एक आदमी 30 साल बाद अपने मित्र से मिले, और 30 साल बाद मिलने के बाद अब हल्द्वानी में रहते थे, और वो आए और अपने मित्र से बोले कि बताओ यार कितने बच्चे हो गए हैं तुम्हारे? बोले जी मेरे 4 बच्चे हैं। बोले अरे वाह, क्या क्या करते हैं? कहने लगे जी एक डॉक्टर है, एक इंजीनियर है, एक लॉयर है, और तीसरा और चौथा नाई है। कह रहा तेरे को शर्म नहीं आई? अपने चौथे बच्चे को अपने घर से बाहर क्यों नहीं निकाल दे रहा है? नाई को तूने घर में रख रखा है। बोले भाई साहब बाकी 3 बेरोजगार है, एक नाई है जो पैसे कमा के घर पे लाता है। So this is something which is missing in the present education system, and we would like to, in fact in Dikshant we are hell-bent that apart from whatever we are imparting as academics, there are certain life skills as well. I mean, these skills where we provide them some lifelike opportunities in the school. Now just imagine, I know many of you must be getting bored, but just imagine the confidence these kids have got today. 2nd, 3rd, 4th class students mugging up say 2 pages of a speech and then reciting in front of you. I mean, I was the honorable chief guest, Mr. Ranveer Chauhan. I was discussing with him day before yesterday. I was sitting with him for quite some time, and it is really difficult to come face the people and then you speak your mind. That's the most dangerous thing. So kids have become highly creative, or we have to create conditions. I give you a very light example that how creative these kids are. एक बार क्लास में, I hope everybody is listening. मेरे ज्ञान से बोर तो नहीं हो रहे हो आप? बीच में सुनाते भी रहूंगा मैं किस्से। तो मतलब क्रिएटिविटी की एक हद देखिए कि एक बार क्लास में टीचर ने बच्चों से पूछा कि भैया अगर समुद्र के बीच में नींबू का पेड़ लग जाए तो कैसे तोड़ोगे? तो उसने कहा जी मैं तो चिड़िया बन के चले जाऊंगा और तोड़ लूंगा। तो बोले चिड़िया तेरे डैडी बनाएंगे, तो बोली टीचर समुद्र में पेड़ तेरे डैडी लगाएंगे. So I mean, although I'm joking, but then these are the challenges which as teachers we are facing. So, and what else to say? If I'll get time, I'll speak to you later. I am pretty sure the program is ready. The whole school orchestra is waiting to deliver a beautiful song in front of you. And I would say only one thing. I mean, what I personally feel we should teach our kids कि नजर ने नजर से मुलाकात कर ली, नजर ने नजर से मुलाकात कर ली, रहे दोनों खामोश और बात कर ली, जमाने से उसने बड़ी बात कर ली. आप गौर कीजिएगा, जमाने से उसने बड़ी बात कर ली, खुद अपने से जिसने मुलाकात कर ली. So I don't know whether I am able to explain this thing to you or not, but what I expect from my kid is that at least, everybody sitting here, that at least for some time we should sit, we should talk to ourselves, because I am the best judge of myself. Nobody else can judge me better than myself. So this is the education we are imparting on the kids. And Abhi, I was talking to my younger brother Sumit Hirdesh. So he was simply asking that, have you introduced some foreign languages in the school? Now parents, I personally feel that now the kids are in their tender age. There are a lot of things which they have to be taught. Now I don't know, a lot of people are sitting here, Amit, Neha, Mr. Srivastava, Mr. Arya. I personally believe, I don't know my thoughts will echo or not. I cannot buy everything from say United States or United Kingdom and impart the education in the same fashion. India is different, and as far as Haldwani is concerned, Haldwani altogether is different. So according to me, I love this Gurukul education of system. I know, I mean, this is basically, this can be this thing, a lot of arguments can happen on this thing. So according to me, the purpose of education has two things. One, development of mind, and the second, development of personality. Now, development of mind, I mean, one of the educator very truly said, I went to the school ignorant and curious. I have come out of the school still ignorant but no more curious. So I am dead against such type of education. I want my kid, believe me, in my school, special instructions are given to the teachers. If the students are posing a threat in the sense that they are asking any questions and you are unable to answer, buy time from them. It's not that you are giving them wrong answers or you are snubbing them. Buy time from them, take help of computers, internet, whatever you feel like, and then you have to satisfy the quest of these students. शिक्षक होने के नाते मेरा जो अपना व्यू है वो ये है कि मैं प्यास बुझाता नहीं हूँ, मैं प्यास और बढ़ाना चाहता हूँ अपने बच्चों की. So development of mind according to me is this, and development of personality, yes, very true that my kid should hear John Travolta, Ricky Martin, Neil Diamond, or any Hollywood star. But then he should not feel ashamed if he is reading about Munshi Premchand or if he is listening to the music of Begum Akhtar. I mean, ask the students in Delhi and Mumbai, they will tell you each and everything about Christmas. Ask them the story behind Diwali and Holi, they are not going to, say anything. As Indians, I tell you a very basic thing which I expect from my parents and which I expect from my students. तीन चीजें हैं, one is Vikriti, the second one is Prakriti, and the third one is Sanskriti. So Vikriti, मुझे भूख नहीं लग रही रही है और मैं तब भी खाना खा रहा हूँ, यह है विकृति। प्रकृति, मुझे भूख लग रही है और मैंने खाना खाया, ये प्रकृति है, ये दिस इज माय नेचर। और संस्कृति एंड स्पेशली इंडियन संस्कृति, मुझे भूख लग रही है, सामने वाला भूखा बैठा हुआ है, लेकिन मैंने अपना खाना उसे खिलाया। सो parents, don't you feel that we should have our kids like this? I mean, yes or no? I should hear some more voices. I was talking to the honorable chief guest yesterday, and he said that Samit, I'm not bothered about the academics of my kid, but these days I'm literally stunned. We don't have patience. Highly impatient. Because very soon we get depressed. So we have to make, and I have come across so many young kids, and it's not a harsh thing to say that we have so many guided missiles but misguided youth. So I don't know, again I'm saying whether I echo or not, but I would say कि as far as my kids are concerned, कि फूल बनकर मुस्कुराना जिंदगी है, मुस्कुरा के गम भुलाना जिंदगी है। जिंदगी ऐसे मत जियो कि कोई फरियाद कर जाए, जिंदगी ऐसे जियो कि कोई याद कर जाए। थैंक यू एंड आई होप यू हैव अ नाइस इवनिंग।